In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Google Sheets. Margins control the empty space around your content when you print or export to PDF, and adjusting them can help you fit more data on a page or give your sheet a cleaner, more professional look. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips along the way so you know what to expect. First, head to the Google homepage. At the top right, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets, where you can access your files. Open the spreadsheet you want to format. It can be any sheet: budget, report, roster. Margins apply at print time, so you'll be setting how it looks on paper or in a PDF. With your document open, go to the menu bar at the top and click File. In that menu, choose Print. This opens the Print Setup view, which shows a live preview on the left and settings on the right. This is where margins are controlled, and any change you make will instantly update the preview, so you can see exactly how it affects your layout. Look for the margin setting in the Print Setup panel. Click it, and you'll see several options: normal, narrow, wide, and custom numbers. Normal is the default balance of white space around your content. Narrow reduces the margins, letting more columns fit on each page without scaling the text. Wide adds extra white space for a cleaner, more breathable layout, useful for formal documents or when you plan to annotate printed copies. If you need precise control, choose Custom Numbers. You'll be able to enter exact values for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. These are typically in inches, and you can use decimals like 0.5 or 0.75 for fine adjustments. As you enter each number, watch the preview update so you can confirm that headings aren't clipped, totals don't run too close to the edge, and important notes remain visible. If your sheet includes headers or footers, leave enough margin so they don't overlap with your data. A quick tip: if tightening margins still doesn't fit everything you need, the print setup also includes scaling and orientation options that can complement your margin choices. You don't have to change them now, but it's helpful to know they work together to shape the final output. That's it. Open Sheets, load your file, go to File, then Print, and pick the margin style that suits your document, or set custom values for perfect control. With these steps, your Google Sheets will print exactly the way you want.